My name's Mark,
And I'm James.
and this is Let's Go Shooting. And today, we're going to play some cards.
What's up guys, it's Mark here from Let's Go Shooting. We had some audio and some video loss, so I figured I'd give you a little explanation before we take a shot. In this video, I'll be attempting to split a playing card at 100 yards. We'll be using a DPMS AR15 with a Nikon scope. We've been planning this shot for weeks, so we really hope you enjoy. Well, that was the shot guys. Such a good feeling. Here's a quick look at the target area and distance. It took around 8 to 10 shots, but we finally pulled it off. If there was anything you liked or want to see more of, or have any suggestions, make sure to leave them in the comments section below. We hope you enjoyed, and make sure to stick around for some bonus footage after the video. Be sure to like and subscribe.